Okay, so today we are making feed. Ensure to get your scale, your plate, your rubber, and then you get your pelletizing machine or meat grinder. Here we use it purely for cassava leaf because we eat cassava leaf. Now here is your ingredient. That's your fish meal. Ensure that all your ingredients are well, smooth, and safe. That's your rice bran. And then we go to our palm kernel cake. This has been locally made, and this is our moringa meal. So now guys, we are weighing all our ingredients because we want to make 15 kg of feed, so we are using 10 kg of fish meal and 5 kg of rice bran. I resulted in making my own farm feed because guys, imported feed is becoming very expensive. I used to buy it $15 to $20 for 15 kg, but now it is $50, guys. You can imagine. And $50 for 15 kg, which can maximum last you for a week, guys. You can imagine if you have more than 2, 3, 4 pounds in your farm, so this is going to cost you. And how much are you going to sell, especially for us that are only now doing Nile tilapia? And for me, I'm in this business to make profit, so I've resulted in making my own feed. Although at first I was scared because it's a sinking feed, and also if you don't take your time to feed, you end up polluting your water. But now me and my team are going to be patient a little bit when feeding our fish with this sinking feed, so that we can literally drop the feed and the fish mouth, and they'll be able to eat 70-80% of the feed before it gets sink to the bottom. So guys, this is what we are doing right now. We are then to farm. Ensure to weigh all your ingredients with a scale, a tool every fish farmer we have should have on their farm. Ensure to have a weighing scale so that you can weigh stuff around. So now we are weighing all our ingredients and put it in a bowl, in a bigger bowl, where it will be easier for us to really mix all the ingredients together so that we can have all incorporated and be consistent with it. So yeah, that's what we are doing on my farm. So there's our fish farm. There's our front door of our farm office. So that's where we are right now. We are winning, guys. We are winning. So the fun fact about Fish Farm, we are the first aquaculture company in Sierra Leone. So no, that's the day. So we are winning everything and putting everything together, and now we add everything, our palm kernel cake, and now we are mixing everything together. Normally I used to cook the starch before putting it on the feed, but now I'm using it dry because I learned from my mentor that you should not cook the starch, so that it can able to combine all the ingredients very well. Now we are pelletizing, guys. You can see how the pellet is very nice and yummy for the fish to eat. The fish are going to enjoy it. So after pelletizing, we sun dry. Ensure to sun dry your pellet feed, because if not, that it will go bad very faster. But when it's dry, it can preserve for a very long time. I'm shaving the tray so that the part of the feed that did not pelletize will go back into the meat grinder, so that it can be well pelletized. So, and also I'm spreading the feed on a tarpaulin. Ensure to spread your feed on tarpaulin. Don't put it on the floor. You don't do that. So I'm drying it on a tarpaulin. And thank God it's a sunny day here at Agro Fish Farm in Bo, Southern Sierra Leone. After 4 hours, now we are packing the feed here. And we are going to dry for 2 more days so that it can get more dry. From experience, I observed that when it's more dry, it can a little bit float a little bit before it sinks them. So we are going to dry it for a couple of 2 days, and this is a dry season here, so we have a lot of sunshine. So this is what we did today on our farm. Bye.